Here's how to add and install door and window sensors. From the browser, select Menu and then Settings. In Settings Selector, make sure Sensors is chosen. Next, select the sensor number you would like to program. Then, name the sensor by typing the desired name into the sensor name field. For example, front door, garage, or master bedroom. Next, select the sensor type, 3 entry exit delay 1, and then the sensor options, 1 bypass. The area group can be left defaulted to 1 area group. Press Learn in the browser. Then on the sensor, activate the tamper. Consult the sensor installation guide for directions on how to do this. The hub will find the sensor and capture the sensor serial ID. Press Save. Mount the sensor on the appropriate door casing using screws or adhesive strips and the magnet to the door. For additional sensor installation tips, consult the sensor installation guide.